Hey y'all, it's me, Malibu Darby. Welcome to my channel. Super excited for today's video. I'm going to be mentioning all of the new products that I'm using in my new foundation routine. I have got new concealers, new foundation, new primers, just a lot of new things that I feel like have completely improved my regular foundation look. So I'm really excited to share those products with you. Before we jump into it, you are going to notice some beautiful jewelry on my arm doing this video. This video is actually brought to you by Mvmt accessories. I'm going to insert some close-up videos of these so you guys can really get into the details of this bracelet and this watch. Today I'm actually wearing two pieces from them. So I am wearing the Eclipse men's watch. I really love men's watches in general. I just love the oversized face. I love all the detailing. So this particular watch is the Eclipse watch. It features really nice gold detailing, a gold mesh strap, a black face, which I thought was super unique. Really love that. And this retails for $150. One thing I love about Mvmt is they really focus on high-end luxury products at a super affordable price in comparison to other brands who offer the same quality. So when I saw what they were offering and the prices they were offering, the brand immediately jumped out to me. So this watch again is only $150 and you can just see some of the detailing. It looks like it is much more expensive than that. And then I'm also wearing the double barbed cuff you see here. This is actually a women's piece that retails for $65. So this is an open closure cuff here. So it's really cute for like stacking with other pieces, other watches, other open cuffs. This again retails for $65. You can see some of the detailing here. There we go. And like I said, I'm going to make sure I insert some close-up shots and some close-up videos of these pieces so you can see it. Both of these are gold pieces, but they have everything from rose gold, they have silver, they have glasses, jewelry, earrings. So I was super attracted to just the aesthetic. It's really clean, really minimal. When I buy a watch, I like a large watch, like a statement piece, but I don't want it to have like too much bling or too distracting, or I feel like it gets gaudy or just takes away from like the overall aesthetic. So as soon as I saw these two pieces, I knew like these were the pieces that I needed to have. I want to get more bracelets to stack them, and I've seen a couple other watches that I'm definitely going to try. They have some with leather straps as well as the traditional chain link watch. Overall, the brand, like I said, is super affordable. So the watches start at $95 and the sunglasses start at $60. They even have, you guys know I love blue light blocking glasses. They have blue light blocking glasses. They really have all the accessories that you could think of. I have heard about this company before, and receiving everything from the packaging is super sleek for all of the products. They all came in their own nice individual boxes, something that I feel like I'm going to keep to store the pieces in so that they can be, you know, in good condition, nice lining. Y'all know I love a good packaging, so I was really impressed with the overall packaging of the brand. This is the box that the watch came in. Again, I'm wearing the Eclipse watch and the double barb cuff. I will link these both below, as well as, y'all know when I come here with the product, my favorite thing to do is to tell you how you can get the same product and save money on it. So in the description box, I will have my affiliate link for Mvmt. It's mvmt.cc/Malibu-Darby. That is in the description box below, as well as when you go to the page, you can use my coupon code Malibu-Darby to save money at your checkout. So let's jump into the video. You will see these two beautiful pieces throughout the video. Again, don't forget to check it out on my Instagram so you can also see how I styled them with tonight's look. That's at Malibu Darby. And without further ado, let's get into some foundation. If you are interested to see this look and all the products that went into it, stay tuned. All right, y'all, jumping straight into the new products. So I've already done my brows and my eyes because this is literally all about foundation today. I promise y'all I have a top on. It is just a strapless top. So I'm going to go in first with the Benefit Professional Matte Rescue Primer. This is a lot different from the other two professional products. I definitely noticed a difference in the texture. It's a lot lighter of a primer. I just switched over this primer. So this is a super new product that I'm using. And I've already put some on, so I'm just going to put this in my usual trouble spots when it comes to oiliness. Then I'm gonna go in and color correct just a little bit with the MAC Prep and Prime pen. Let's get that to focus. Boom. MAC Prep and Prime pen in the shade Peach Luster. You'll notice this is a lot lighter than the color correcting shades I usually use. I feel like since it's a little less orange, it just helps balance a little more, and I don't have to really worry about any oompa loompaness happening or it kind of breaking through the foundation. Now for the featured product, I'm going in with the Uoma Beauty Say What Weightless Foundation. This is in the shade Brown Sugar T1C. They have a very interesting way of doing their foundation. So I would definitely say use their shade finder if you can. Get to your nearest Ulta and swatch it, because they really focus on like deeper skin tones and brown skin women and their shades. So it's a little tricky in a good way to find the right shade. This does retail for $39 and it is available at Ulta. I'm only trying the foundation today, but they do have a full range of complexion products. What you'll notice about this foundation is it's definitely a little more watery than some foundations that I've used in the past, but it's not off-putting. So the way I like to do, I don't really use my like Kat Von D brush or anything at first. I like to go in with the damp beauty blender and I start to blend that out. So I like this foundation because it is buildable. So because I want to do a full coverage look tonight, I am going to go in and apply another layer or another pump of the foundation. And then I'm going to use a really dense buffing brush to buff that out and just kind of give it even more of an airbrush finish. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this Morphe M444. This is a super short, super dense brush. I'm a buffing brush and I'm just going to buff out definitely around the edges, but just kind of buffing out that foundation just to make sure everything is even and there's no like splotchy spots or anything like that. Because this foundation is a little bit more thin and watery than a lot of foundations, I feel like it spreads around easier. So I feel like the beauty blender and then kind of buffing out is the best option. For my concealer, I'm going to go in with the MAC Pro Longwear concealer in the shade NC45, and I'm just going to put that right in my usual highlighting areas, and I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. I also like to take this Morphe M536 brush when I'm doing concealer sometimes, and also use that just to soften the edges and also help blend out that concealer for a really natural soft finish. So after highlighting, I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place foundation stick in the shade Zambia. Now, y'all know I was not the biggest fan of the original foundation. I like this packaging a lot more, and honestly, I like the overall consistency of this product more. So this is a little bit lighter than my usual contour color, and it has a little more warmth in it, but I feel like it is a really good winter contour for me. And this packaging makes it very easy just to put it in your main areas and kind of keep moving. So all that's to say, while I may not have been a fan of the original foundation, I really like this new concealer from them. I'm interested to try this for the highlighter as well. Setting with the Sacha Buttercup, as usual. Still don't have a under eye setting powder that I love more than the Sacha Buttercup. Okay, I did my usual contour blush situation. You guys know it's literally the same in every video. Now, just for a little fall wintry lip, a little vampy lip, I'm gonna go in with MAC Night Moth. Then I'm gonna go in with Antique Velvet, also from MAC. It's like a chocolatey burgundy color. Alright guys, so that is how the final look came together. Thank you guys again so much for watching my new foundation routine. You already know I'm going to have all of the products linked and mentioned in the description box below. Again, thank you so much to Mvmt for sponsoring this video. You can find all of the information about the company, the accessories that I'm wearing today in the description box. As well, don't forget to use my coupon code malibudarby to save 15% when you shop there. The Link will be in the description box as well. It is mvmt.cc/Malibu-Darby, and that will have all the information to the sunglasses, the earrings. You can see all the different products. Thank you guys again so much for supporting me. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. As always, let me know what videos you guys want to see coming up next in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.